Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Snow app. Just follow me step by step. You will click on settings here. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you will write the name of the application Snow and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click on OK here. Then you will go to storage. After that you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.